Hey, art students. I hope you're having an awesome Friday. Way to get through the week. Just a reminder about Friday, you are going to upload the really nice, thoughtful picture or pictures of your sculpture in our Google form here. If you did take a video of it, that's okay too. Certainly would also work, but I think a lot of you are going to be taking photos. So just make sure that you open up your form. I would like you to share what materials you used for your sculpture. I think that sometimes it's obvious, but sometimes it's not. And I would like you to share kind of what you used to make your piece. And I would like you to share how much time you invested into your work. Here's an opportunity for you to upload your file here or files so that I can grade your piece and also display it in a slideshow moving forward and share it with other people. Your first and last name, and then your class hour, and then hit submit to make that all official. Some of your files that you are adding aren't working so great for me, so just I don't know what might be the hijink with that, but make sure your file completely downloads or uploads, I should say, before you kind of move on. And I don't know if that's the problem, but anywho, thank you guys for your hard work. And I really do hope that you take some time to relax and just invest in you, because I know that even though we are staying home and staying put, it still's a lot. It still can be stressful. It still can be overwhelming. So breaks are really important. So take a moment to get outside, go for some walks, read a book. I don't know, do something that's just for you. So thank you guys for your hard work again. Just a reminder, today, all you got to do is upload your work and then you're off into the weekend. Hope you guys have an awesome, awesome day. Monday is going to be another art of play, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys later.